excited to know who is going to be the winner of this session. I will encourage everybody to be attentive to know who wins this. Ready? Moving 9 minus 6 plus 5 minus 8 plus 2 plus 2 minus 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 9 plus 8 minus 3 minus 5 plus 2 plus 2 minus 1 plus 5 minus 6 minus 1 plus 9 minus 4 minus 5 plus 2 plus 2 minus 4 plus 5 plus 1. What are your answer? 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, stop. Answer is 6. Come for them, please. Answer is 6. Come for them. Another question, please. As we get ready for the next answer is 6. The answer was 6. And 2 are going back home. But let's applaud for them for winning the first other question. Congratulations, please. Merci for participating. Are we ready? Are we ready? Great, let's go. Moving 5 plus 1 minus 5 minus 1 plus 6 minus 1 plus 2 minus 7 plus 4 minus 3 plus 6 minus 7 plus 8 minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 minus 8 plus 9 minus 7 plus 1 minus 4 plus 3 plus 6 minus 2. Write down your answer. 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, stop. The answer is 7. You didn't get 7. Wait, the answer is 7. So everyone that doesn't have to go reaching this stage. And now we are remaining. Now we responsibly for and allow us to know who is going to win this stage. Can everyone, I request kindly the protocol to help them stand properly. Now, this is what we're going to do. Allow me to call upon one of the contestants that is going to participate in French, and the four remaining, they will contest later after. So they're going to move one step back, and we receive on stage, or we welcome on stage, a participant that is going to work in French as we wait to know who is going to win this session. Dear parents, don't worry, those four, they are going to continue for watching. They are now done for listening, now they are going to continue for watching. But before, we have even to give the questions for this student who only understand French. And since this is supposed to be a fair game or a fair play, let's now give an opportunity to our contestants that only speak French. Bienvenue et bonne chance. Anna? 6 moins 1 plus 4 moins 9 plus 9 moins 4 plus 3 moins 8 plus 7 moins 5 plus 2 moins 4. Écrivez la réponse. La réponse est 0. La deuxième. A round of applause to cheer her up and we give her another opportunity. Ma chère, bonne chance. 7 moins 2 plus 2 moins 7 plus 6 plus 3 moins 2 moins 7 plus 8 moins 6 plus 2 moins 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2. Écrivez ma réponse. La réponse est 9. Félicitations. La réponse est 9. 3 plus 6 moins 3 moins 6 plus 8 moins 5 plus 1. Vous pouvez la réponse. La réponse est 4. Now we would like to welcome the students from level 2. for this stage. So this is very advanced level, and it should be the second level, and I would want everyone to pay attention and see how it is even hotter and even better. Ready? To the best again.
Close your eyes. Remember the end of our purpose. Moving 3 plus 5 minus 3 minus 3 plus 1 plus 6 plus 2 minus 9 plus 3 plus 6 minus 5 minus 4 plus 2 plus 6 minus 6 minus 2 plus 1 plus 6 minus 5 minus 2 plus 3 plus 5 minus 6 minus 2 plus 67 minus 22 minus 96 plus 34 minus 23 minus 11. Write down your answer. 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Answer is 0. Plus 7 minus 6 plus 6 minus 7 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 minus 9 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 minus 8 plus 3 plus 6 minus 1 minus 8 plus 3 plus 6 minus 2 minus 7 plus 22 plus 27 minus 99 plus 82 plus 17 minus 99 plus 21 plus 63. Write down your answer. 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Stop. The answer is 84.
And the answer is 84.
The last question.
The one that does not have the right answer is the best, and we as a family, we are proud of you.
Moving 52 plus 32 minus 84 plus 88 minus 45 minus 53 plus 69 minus 15 minus 54 plus 46 plus 51 minus 97 plus 2 plus 2 minus 4 plus 5 plus 1. 2 seconds. 1, 2, stop. The answer is 6. Oui, pas pour désolé. Please, réduis ton universel et vivez la réponse. La réponse, c'était très bien. 11 plus 11 plus 55 moins 66. La réponse est combien? C'est 11. La dernière chance. Non, la dernière chance.
La dernière question.
Last chance. Plus 6 moins 1 moins 7 plus 7 moins 6 plus 6 moins 7 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2. C'est combien? C'est bravo, professeur. Moins 5 moins 1 plus 5 plus 4 moins 4 moins 5 plus 2 plus 6 moins 6. 1 The answer is 488. One more chance. 171 times 2 minus 1,142 plus 450 times 2. Write your answer. The answer is 806. Thank you so much for trying. Now let us call the students for level 4.
So this is level 4, and like I promised, it gets better and hotter. So let's see what the girls in store for us today. I wish you well.
Ready? Moving 406 times 2 minus 112 plus 135 times 2 minus 270 plus 713 times 2 minus 1,426 plus 69 minus 14 minus 55 plus 58 plus 41 minus 99 plus 59 minus 15 minus 54 plus 46 plus 51 minus 97 plus 36 minus 21 minus 18 plus 51 plus 43 minus 96 plus 42 times 2 minus 96 plus 244 times 2. Write your answer. Please take it 1, 2, 3, stop, hold up. The answer is 488.
Professeur, après le tweet.
Teacher, what is correct?
Professeur, après le tweet. La bonne réponse.
And we are remaining in only 4. Let's see who wins the last level 4.
Ready? Move in 17 times 2 minus 34 plus 72 times 2 minus 144 plus 86 times 2 minus 172 plus 88 times 2 minus 176 plus 28 minus 20 minus 8 plus 12 plus 52 minus 64 plus 97 minus 67 minus 30 plus 21 plus 53 minus 84 plus 937 times 2 minus 1,874 plus 212 times 2. Please second 1, 2, 3, stop. That is 424.
Professeur Bocard, c'est la bonne réponse. Professeur Grandpart.
Now we are going to do about washing.
Teach. The